Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland. Today, we've got something truly special for all the JDM lovers and diecast collectors out there. We're unboxing one of the most exciting twin packs in the entire Hot Wheels premium lineup, featuring two absolute icons from the world of Japanese drifting, the Nissan SilEighty and the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. This set isn't just another release, it's a love letter to 90s car culture. Each car comes in 1/64 scale, beautifully detailed with metal bodies, real riders, and that unmistakable stance Hot Wheels Premium is known for. You can feel the attention to detail from the clean paint to the perfectly chosen wheels. Whether you're a fan of street racing, touge battles, or garage-built legends, this pack captures the spirit of that golden era. So buckle up, let's crack it open and take a closer look at what makes this pair so legendary. Let's start with the white Nissan SilEighty. And yes, this one has real history. In the Japanese street scene of the 90s, the SilEighty was born when drifters took the rear of a 180SX and swapped on the front end of a Silvia S13. It wasn't just for style. The fixed headlights were lighter, cheaper to replace, and became iconic in the drifting world. This casting captures it perfectly. That sleek Silvia front, those deep blue 6-spoke wheels, and a clean white paint job that makes the lines pop. Now let's move to the black beauty, the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. This was the final and most refined version of the 180SX, featuring the updated aero package, a sportier suspension setup, and of course, those signature taillights. Hot Wheels gave this casting a stealthy black finish with gold 5-spoke wheels, which look absolutely killer. The stance is tight, the proportions are spot on, and it screams 90s tuner culture. You can practically hear it sliding through a mountain pass.